Good morning, dear student. In class 5 history, today we will be discussing about the characteristics of longitudes. So, what are longitudes? Longitudes are imaginary lines that run from North Pole to South Pole. Other name of longitude is meridians. Altogether 360 meridians or longitudes are there. The prime meridian is the 0 degree longitude, which divides the earth in two hemispheres, eastern and western hemisphere. Altogether 360 meridians or longitudes are there. 180 meridians or longitudes are in the eastern hemisphere and 180 meridians or longitudes are in the western hemisphere. Okay, so these are some of the characteristic features. Now let's see what our book says. The distance between any two meridian is measured in degree. The degree is further divided into minutes and minutes are divided into seconds. So the distance between any two meridian is measured in degree. You can see this is a longitude. Okay, this is the North Pole and down is the South Pole. This is the prime meridian. You can see this is the prime meridian. This blue line, deep line, this is the prime meridian. And this side of prime meridian is eastern hemisphere. E is written, you can see. And this side is the western hemisphere. W is written. Okay, and these are measured in degree. You can see this degree 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree, and so on till 180 degree. This line will be 180 degree. And in the same way this side also 15, 30, 40, 45, 60, 75 and 180. So these are measured in degree. Then between 1 degree, between 2 degree, it is also further divided into hours and minutes and second. Okay, so in this way degrees are measured. The degree is further divided into minutes and minute are further divided into seconds. Then there are 360 degree meridian or longitude altogether, if we see, because earth is a circle and in a circle how many degrees are there? 360. So since our earth is also a circle, spherical in shape, so 360 degree or meridian of longitudes are there. 180 degree meridian in the east and 180 degree meridian in the west. Okay, just I had shown you the prime meridian. Prime meridian is the 0 degree and 180 degree meridian are in the eastern hemisphere and 180 degree meridian are in the western hemisphere. The longitudes are semicircles equal in length, but these are not parallel. Okay, these longitudes, they are semicircle. You can see that they are semicircle, but they are not parallel because they all converge or they all meet at the poles. You can see the North Pole from where all the longitudes originates. Okay, and in the same way, in the South Pole they go and meet. So they are not parallel like the parallels of latitudes. They are parallel, they never meet. But longitudes, all the longitudes, they converge, they meet at the poles. The distance between any two meridian or the longitude is not the same. It decreases steadily towards poles and ultimately becomes zero at the poles where all the meridians meet. However, distance between the longitudes remain maximum at the equator. Okay, now let's see over here in the diagram. You can see that this blue line is the equator. Okay, this blue line is the equator. And if you notice, then you will see that over here, suppose this is this is 0 degree, this is 1 degree, this is 2 degree. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So what do we see over here? That this distance is more than this distance. This distance is more than this distance. So as we are approaching towards the pole, the distance goes on decreasing between the two meridian or longitude. The maximum distance is at the equator. Maximum distance is at the equator. So this is what it is said over here, that the distance between any two meridians or the longitude is not the same. Maximum at the equator and zero at the poles, because at the pole they all meet. It decreases steadily towards poles as we go northward or southward, and ultimately becomes zero at the poles where all the meridians meet, that is at the north pole and at the south pole. However, distance between the longitudes remains maximum at the equator. Then the prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Just now I have shown you over here. Let's see again. This is the prime meridian. You can see this is the prime meridian. This line is the prime meridian. This divides the earth in two hemispheres. One side is the eastern hemisphere, you can see E, and one side is the western hemisphere, W. Okay. The alphabet E is used to indicate the eastern longitudes and W is used to show the western longitudes. Then 180° east and 180° west longitude are the same longitudes and refer to the 180° longitude due to Earth's spherical shape. That is 180° east and west longitude is the same. And that is this is the prime meridian. Okay, and this prime meridian will make a circle. Okay, if it will go the other side also, if you see, then it will make a circle. So this half circle is called the prime meridian, and the other side, this side, the half circle is called the 180° east and west longitude. If you go from this, then it becomes 180° west longitude. If you go from this side, then it becomes 180° east longitude. Okay, so this is what it is said. So today we will discuss up to here, and next day then I will give you a video on longitude and time. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye.